Welcome to the Inner Sambodh workshop day 1. So now those who have subscribed to my channel, they already know that I was supposed to introduce the Inner Sambodh workshop, and this is the very first day, and I have already mentioned what we would be doing in this workshop. That's a simple thing. We will be connecting with our inner child. As simple as that. That's a process where you will be able to understand, connect and live your life to the fullest extent by doing this simple activity. So without any delay, let's start with this beautiful Inner Sambodh workshop. So I hope that you have found a very safe place, and it's a very silent place where you can connect with yourself for a few minutes. If not, then save this video and watch when you have that safe and silent place. So let's start with today's workshop. I will be starting with the question, do you know yourself? This question may trigger someone, somebody, or many of you. If it triggered, then trust me friends, you are at a very right place, and this video definitely belongs to you. So now the answer. Let's answer this question which I asked right now. Do you know yourself? If the answer is no, it's okay. Even if the answer is yes, it's totally okay. So now let's see what exactly knowing yourself mean. We'll do a very bit small of activity, or definitely kind of meditation to understand what exactly I am trying to talk about. So close your eyes, take a deep breath. While you're breathing, inhale all the anxiety, fear, okay? And while you're exhaling, let all this fear, anxiety and depression, whatever problems you're facing, let it go. So now you have to imagine that you are sitting in a very beautiful place. That place it can be a nature, it can be your room, it can be any visual you which comes in your mind at present. Okay, you're sitting there. Now call your inner child. The inner child is something. If I try to introduce your inner child, so many a times it has happened that when you are facing some kind of trouble, you may be hearing some inner voice. Oh no, everything will be fine, don't worry, I'm there, or it will be okay, fine. There many a times there is critical voice also, like if you have even a negative voice, then trust me, that is also your inner child only. Fine. So that inner voice, call that inner voice. And the moment you call that inner voice, just observe what exactly you are able to feel, visualize. Is it some small kid, or your childhood image? So don't be bound by what exactly you are seeing. I will guide you to feel it, to be it. So now the moment you are able to feel that inner presence, that's exactly your inner child. So now you have to build a relationship with your inner child today. So let's start with the introduction. Introduce yourself as if you are meeting for the first time, as if you are friends. So exchange that dialogue between you and your inner self for few moments, like how are you doing, what do you like, etc. So now you have to do this introduction part till that inner child is safe or feels safe to communicate with you. And it's okay. It's okay if you can't see that inner child, and it's very much okay if you are not able to connect. Our main purpose is to feel it, and if you follow this activity daily, that will happen for sure, trust me. So while you are having this inner dialogue with this presence, we will call it presence or inner child, just shower all the love in the exact way you do with a stranger, right? Without any judgment, without any criticism, without any doubt, just love. So you have to do only this for today, that is love, love, love. Have all the conversation for few minutes, and now the next step will be grounding. The grounding is the most important step. And during the grounding, what we will be doing, just imagine that there is a heart space. In your heart space, there is like a very safe and sacred space where you will be bringing your inner child, and this is going to be for eternity. Your inner child is joining you for eternity, my friend. Trust me, this process is for eternity, and the moment you do that, you have to melt yourself with this inner child, be one with your inner child, and the moment you have completed this grounding, you can open your eyes. So this was the day 1 of inner Sambodh, and we will be going even more deeper and deeper in this exercise for 10 days. So once again, if you are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe my channel and put that notification bell on, okay, so that you will be getting the notification whenever I'm uploading it. So thank you for joining this Inner Sambodh workshop, and do practice, my friends. Till then, meet you in the next episode of Inner Sambodh, and happy healing. Bye.